What's happening with your YouTube? It's another motherfucking Ratchet review. Ain't no review though, shit. I was in there being rolling, listening to my old shit. Shit, I'll put that bitch out, let y'all hear. Hey, this for the ladies, you feel me? Hey, I need me a Soulja bitch. Bruh, man, y'all. Hit that like button if you fucks with your boy. If you don't hit that dislike and get the fuck.
I need a Soulja bitch. I need a Soulja bitch. I need a bitch that's always on that Soulja shit. I need a Soulja bitch. I need a Soulja bitch. I need a bitch that's always on that Soulja shit. I want no hoes that ain't pop her shit. I just need me a down hoe.
I want a Soulja bitch.
I want a bitch that ain't about her cash. Soulja bitch just sheen on her ass. I need a bitch that'll bust it if it need be. No hesitation, no questions, just squeeze it. Like I need her, no she need me. Real niggas in these streets, endangered species. Need a bitch that can swallow up the whole dick. Head game, nickname, curry toasty. I want a bitch with bands on her own too. Not just looking for a man to let go loose. I want a bitch that likes her a lot of sex. A Soulja bitch always keep her body straight. I done fuck with different type of bitch from all over. None like the bitches that I like to call Soulja. I need a Soulja bitch. I need a Soulja bitch. I need a bitch that's always on that Soulja shit. I need a Soulja bitch. I need a Soulja bitch. I need a bitch that's always on that Soulja shit. My Soulja bitch, man,
built like a thoroughbred.
A nickname for the dick is the third leg. Get brains in the whip,
I deserve it.
Liquid stain color lips from the purse sack. My Soulja bitch keep her money stashed away. She know when to keep it good, be a classic lady. My Soulja bitch got brains and know how to use. Won't fall for your games and let y'all confuse. She know how to play it, she know who to call. Niggas that'll have you scared if they get involved. Soulja bitches do whatever to keep a man happy. Ride or die with a nigga to make the clan happy. She ain't about that nasty, she ain't about that beat.
She know about that action.
Out there in them streets, she just play a role like she supposed to do. Let her nigga make it fucking Soulja. I need a Soulja bitch. I need a Soulja bitch. I need a bitch that's always on that Soulja shit. I need a
Alright, y'all. Hey, that was a little bit of it. Shit, got to get back to it. Hey, appreciate y'all fucking with me. Shit, I got more shit that I done found from the vault. So shit, I'll be bringing y'all more shit in the future. Hey, like, comment, subscribe. Fuck with me.